Hello! In this video, you will learn how to make a tutorial using clips. Go to Settings, choose General, Keyboard, and toggle on Enable Dictation. Open Clips. Select Camera. Choose either the front-facing or rear-facing camera. To record, press and hold the record button. Recording will stop when you release. Or, you may press record and flick the button upward until it becomes a small button. Recording will stop when you press it again. To insert live titles, tap on the Live Titles button. Tap on the globe button to change the language. Pick a live title template, then tap on the record button to begin recording. Speak slowly but loudly. And watch your words appear on screen as you say them.